this 420 ritual that's going to be powerful, that's going to enliven your being, because this one is it, right? This one is it. So, you know, Patreon family, we just got to reading about the eclipse, and the eclipse is just basically what? The moon blocking out the sun, right? And to create this darkness effect, right? So as above, so below, as within, so without. This time-space continuum that you're in, right, is just training you to understand that if you can see these symbols that's coming up, right, that means it's time for what? Reflection time. So for this 420 eclipse, I want y'all to do this, family. I want you, Patreon family, to sit in a dark room. Sit in a dark room and smoke weed. Sit in the dark room and smoke weed. Now, in the dark room, obviously, you got to have the dark out blinds. You feel me? The dark out curtains, right? Obviously, you should already have those, but you have to have the dark out curtains. Put a towel under your door, right? Really get it in, right? With darking out the whole room, and sit there and smoke weed. And all I want you to do is reflect on the thoughts that come to you. All you're doing is looking at the thoughts that come to you. You feel me? So as you're smoking this weed, and you don't got to smoke the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? It'll be hot in a bit. But as you're smoking this weed, right, you want to sit there and do this and you want to sit in that darkness for at least 30 minutes. You feel me? At least 30 minutes, complete darkness, right? 30 minutes to even longer. You feel me? Go for 2 hours if you have to, 3 hours, shit. You feel me? And sit there and just observe your thoughts, observe your mind, right? And observe what's been coming to you, right? This is reflection time. This is how we get out with the alignment of Sister Earth. You feel me? So as above, so below, as within, so without. So on this 420 day, when this eclipse is happening, this dark room energy is going to spring forward some light.